Aescape raises $83 million for AI massage robot. Aescape, an AI-powered robot masseuse, has just raised $83 million and is rolling out to 60 Equinox gyms. This startup is bringing high-tech wellness to the fitness world because why wait for an appointment when a robot can give you a massage on demand? The experience is futuristic. You put on a special stretchy gear, let the system 3D scan your body and lie down on a sleek massage table where robotic arms apply warm AI-optimized pressure from shoulders to knees. The neck and the calves, not just yet, but the team is expanding the robot skill set with calf massages newly unlocked. Aescape CEO Eric Litman started this after struggling with chronic neck pain for 2 years. Now his company is valued at $250 million, with investments including NBA star Kevin Love. With $23 million in bookings since August, it's clear that there's a demand for a tech-driven massage experience. At $60 for 30 minutes, this service is designed for convenience. No need for small talk, just efficient, targeted relaxation. And with a plan to expand into hotels, sports, and even medical therapy, robotic massages might soon become a wellness standard. The future of relaxation is here, and it's automated. And that's it for your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.